Freeze. Ever wanted to hit pause on a crucial moment in your video to make it truly unforgettable? Today, we're diving into CapCut PC to show you exactly how to create stunning freeze frames, adding drama and emphasis to your edits without costing a dime. First, open your CapCut project on your PC. Navigate to your video clip on the timeline. Now, carefully move your Playhead. That vertical blue line, the exact frame you want to freeze. This is the precise moment you want to hold. Look for the Freeze button. It's usually located in the toolbar at the top of your editing window, often represented by a snowflake icon. Click it. You'll see a new, static segment appear on your timeline right where you placed your Playhead. This is your freeze frame. You can adjust the duration of this freeze frame by simply clicking and dragging the edges of this new segment on the timeline. Make it as long or as short as you need for maximum impact. And there you have it, a perfectly executed freeze frame. This technique is fantastic for highlighting a key detail, emphasizing an emotion, or just adding a stylish pause to your footage. Experiment with placing them at the beginning, middle, or end of your clips to see what works best for your story. Mastering freeze frames in CapCut PC is a small trick that can lead to big improvements in your video editing, so go ahead, pause, and make your moments count.